to use Blackview BV9300. A rugged phone is fast, easy to use, and portable, laser rangefinder.
Is it really fast, easy to use, and portable?
Of course. Whether you're measuring the length of a wall, the area of a cable, or the volume of your packet, Blackview BV9300 is all that you will need. Whether you need a presentation pointer in a conference, or to play with cats, to measure the length of abdomen, measure body height, or distance between two cars, BV9300 has them covered all, even with glove board sport.
Where's the power there? Huh?
Why not use Blackview BV9300, a feature-packed rugged phone with an insanely lasting battery and high performance?
For real? I mean the battery and high performance.
Yes, of course. Its 15,080 mAh battery is giant enough for binge-watching Game of Thrones from Season 1 to Season 3 non-stop, playing Minecraft or Planet Coaster for days, or making calls for almost a week. Plus, with a superbly cool design, BV9300 is going to suit your style wherever